Hello, welcome to another immigration art video. My name is Art Serratelli, and with Mara Mijal, the two of us, we're the partners here at Serratelli Mijal PLLC. If you've got any immigration questions whatsoever, please send us an email, give us a call. Email is your best bet. Start with email first, and then we'll start a dialogue. If you've got a question, we've got an answer. The subject of today's video is what in the heck is going on with President-elect. I can't even say the words. Let me try. What the heck is going on with President-elect Trump? One more time. President-elect Trump regarding immigration. What's he gonna do? What's he gonna do? We've got people in line waiting for family-based immigration benefits. We've got people in line waiting for employer, business-based immigration benefits. What in the world is this xenophobic Donald Trump going to do to me, a law-abiding, rule-following immigrant waiting peacefully in line for my benefits under American law? What's he going to do? Who knows? He was running a campaign that was very, very, very long on generalities and very, very, very short on specifics. So what I did, and what any lawyer can do, so don't, by the way, do not listen to any lawyer who thinks they can tell you what he's going to do and when he's going to do it and how he's going to do it, because nobody knows. Do not pay any lawyer out of fear or worry or depression or anxiety. Don't do it. Nobody knows. Nobody. So here's what I did. I went to the Donald Trump website and just looked up his 10-point plan for immigration. And here, take a look. Let's show you where this is located on the internet. Here we go. What does he say in writing that he's going to do? I'll tell you. 10-point plan, and anyone who is in line waiting for a family-based or an employment-based immigration benefit, I think should breathe a sigh of relief, because anything to do with that area of immigration law is number 10 of 10 on his list. He's got bigger fish to fry than worrying about and messing around with lawfully present people leading decent, good lives, trying to follow the rules of the country of their choice. All right, so here we are on the Donald Trump website. We posted this already on Facebook. The Facebook for me, Art Serratelli. The Facebook for our law firm, Serratelli Mijal PLLC. I posted it on Google+. I've posted it on Twitter. I've posted it on LinkedIn. Okay, so the Donald Trump 10-point plan. Now remember, you guys that we work with, where do you fit into this 10-point list? Really, seriously, think about it. Where do you fit in? Ready? Here we go. Number one, he's going to begin building the wall along the border with Mexico, and he's going to be fighting about who's going to pay for it. Mexico. He wants Mexico to pay for it. That's number one. Number two, he's going to end something called catch and release. Catch and release. Anyone who's illegally crossing a border will be detained until they are removed out of America. That's not clients that we work with. Number three, move criminal aliens out on day one of the Trump administration. Criminal aliens, throw them out. We don't work with criminal aliens. So far, so good. Number four, end sanctuary cities. The law is the law is the law, and you can't hide out in city X as an illegally present alien if the federal law doesn't want you to be here. Good luck with that. Number five, immediately terminate President Obama's amnesties for certain groups of immigrants. I don't think this is going to happen. This is DACA. DACA. There are too many young, hardworking people in the DACA program, and we don't want headlines. Hundreds of thousands of young, hardworking college students and young people, engineers, business managers, being deported because Obama gave them the permission to stay. I don't think that's going to happen. I think the Republican establishment will be a check on this renegade Donald Trump. Donald Trump is not a Republican. He's a populist. He's a isolationist, protectionist, populist. Paul Ryan is a Republican. So what does it mean to be a Republican these days? I don't know. I certainly hope item number 5 is a serious issue that will be a bone of contention between the establishment Republicans and the newly elected President Trump, because the people in the DACA program are the very, very type of person we want in this country. So, through no fault of their own, the people in DACA are here. And in a sense of fairness, why should they be punished? These are the Dream Act people. Does Donald Trump really want to crush the dreams of young people? He might be a weirdo. He might be a gigantic poke in the eye at the political establishment. But is he really that awful a person? I don't think so. I pray he's not. Number 6, suspend the issuance of visas to any place where adequate screening cannot occur. This extreme vetting of Muslims, all that stuff, that's what he's talking about here. Number 6, extreme vetting of Muslims. What can I tell you? First of all, I don't think that's constitutional. That's number 1. Number 2, I also think, again, that the Republican establishment will fight him on this. You cannot have headlines saying President Trump rounding up Muslims and extremely vetting them regarding their religious and political beliefs. That is FDR in World War II rounding up the Japanese again. You can't do that. This is the 21st century. Number 7, if we throw somebody out of this country who's illegally present, we're going to make sure the other country that the person is being deported to will accept them. All right, number 8. This one's not bad. This one's okay. Number 8. Ensure that a biometric entry exit visa tracking system is fully implemented at all land, air, and seaports. Okay. Number 9. Now this is impossible. Anyway, President Trump is going to turn off the jobs and benefits magnet that draws these people here. Whatever that means, again, good luck. It's not like he gets up every morning in Trump Tower and orders all the maids around and orders the guy who polishes the marble in the lobby to polish it just a little bit shinier. He can't just order a segment of our population to change its behavior. These jobs that are being taken are not being taken. That's a misunderstanding. The employers in America want this type of labor, and America offers this type of labor, and America will even issue an illegally present worker an ITIN, individual taxpayer ID number, so they can pay taxes on income they earn while they're illegally present. Now, who's a bad actor here? The American economy and the hypocritical IRS, who will let an illegally present immigrant earning money pay taxes? Are the American employers and the IRS criminals? Or are the poor people coming here doing jobs we don't want to do, are they the criminals? You tell me. All these things, number 1 through 9, it's going to take forever. And that's not the only thing he's going to do. He says he's going to revamp, he's going to fix Obamacare. He's going to build more bridges, fix our roads. The people who are working with our firm are now the next thing on the list. You're low priority. He's not going to get this far. Here's what he's going to do. Number 10. He's going to reform the legal immigration system to serve the best interests of America and its workers, including the international workers already here. And he's going to keep immigration levels within historic norms. So that, in my opinion, means he's going to let people come in the same gross numbers that they have been coming in on an annual basis for time after time after time after time, going back all the way to when this current law was written. But he might change the mix of who's coming in. We might get a point system that values smart young people with many college degrees. We will vet people perhaps according to what they can contribute to our economy. Again, this is all my opinion on the only concrete thing we know. These 10 written points. These 10 written points are all we know. What I just said, every word that came out of my mouth is conjecture. I don't know. And neither does any other lawyer. I promise you. Do not listen. Do not go watch other YouTube videos and be scared out of your mind. Don't do it. Okay? Okay? Thank you. If you have questions, send us an email. Your best bet is email. If you want, give us a call, and we'll be in touch, and we'll help you solve your problems. Okay? Thanks.